In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated payment reminders in QuickBooks Desktop. If you want to save time on follow-ups and keep your accounts receivable more organized, payment reminders can be a very helpful tool. Instead of manually contacting customers about upcoming or overdue invoices, QuickBooks Desktop allows you to create reminder schedules that can automatically target the right customers based on timing and conditions you choose. To get started, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the top menu bar. From there, select Customers, then choose Payment Reminders and click Schedule Payment Reminders. This will take you to the area where all reminder schedules are created and managed. Once you're in that window, create a new schedule. This schedule is basically the template QuickBooks will use to decide who receives reminders and when those reminders should be triggered. When you create a new one, take a moment to think about the purpose of the reminder. For example, you may want one schedule for invoices that are coming due soon and another for invoices that are already overdue. Next, define your customer groups, also referred to as mailing lists. This is where you choose which customers should be included in the reminder schedule. Organizing customers into the right groups helps make your reminders more relevant and prevents unnecessary messages from being sent to the wrong people. If you manage different types of clients, this step is especially important because it gives you better control over who receives what. After that, set the specific reminder conditions. This is the key part of the setup. You'll choose the timing for when reminders should go out, such as 3 days before the due date or 14 days after the due date. A reminder before the due date can serve as a friendly prompt, while a reminder after the due date can help you follow up on unpaid balances without needing to do it manually each time. As you choose these conditions, make sure the timing fits your billing process and your communication style. Many businesses prefer a balanced approach that includes both pre-due and post-due reminders, but the exact timing should reflect how you normally handle collections and customer communication. Once everything is set, review the schedule carefully to make sure the correct customer groups and reminder conditions are in place. This helps avoid confusion later and ensures the automation works the way you expect. That's it. After setting up your payment reminder schedule, QuickBooks Desktop can help streamline your collections process and make invoice follow-up much more consistent.